My thoughts and prayers goes out to the families affected by the multiple blasts in Sri Lanka on Easter weekend. Please keep those people in your prayers who face this unbelievable tragedy.
Before starting today's video, I have a question. Do you know why are you here for? And do you know the purpose behind your presence over here? I really don't just want you to watch this video. Yeah man, I want you to be here with a desire of learning and a purpose. And if you have a purpose to be here and desire of learning, then please stay here and watch this video till the end, because this is gonna be a happy learning. Hi there, I'm glad you're here. I'm so excited and grateful to you for being here. I really appreciate your decision to be here. I believe this video is worth watching, and you're gonna realize it after watching this video. So make sure to stay here and watch this video till the end.
No one of us hate appreciation, but most of us don't even appreciate. There's a quotation: appreciate what you have, where you are, and who you are within this moment. J.C. Ryle said, home is a place where habits are formed. Parents, if you want appreciation, do you ever teach your kids about the power of appreciation? And teachers, do you ever taught your students about the power of appreciation? I believe, and it's very true, it's a fact, parents develop habits in kids and teachers help them to adopt them. When I train my dogs, I used to give them treats as an appreciation. That appreciation and treats help them to adopt and develop new habits. In this way, they become more well-mannered and obedient. We humans are so smart and intelligent. If we develop or adopt a habit of appreciation, it can boost our relationship with our spouse, children, students, friends, even with our pets. There's a lack of love and care in our relationships without appreciation. It is one of the most powerful keys to build our relationship with our spouse, friends, and people around us. We must not have to find lots of big things and reasons to appreciate others. There's always small things and efforts to be appreciated. Sometimes we need to start small and smart. When we appreciate others, it makes them happy and excited. We always want to be there where we find ourselves happy and excited. Before appreciating others, we also appreciate ourselves, then people around us, for their impact on your life, for their love, care. At the end of this video, I would like to appreciate all of you for taking time to watch this video, for being here. It really means a lot to me. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends. If you watch this video and have not subscribed my channel yet, I encourage you to subscribe it for coming latest videos. I hope you have a great and fantastic Easter weekend. I pray may you all have a great and fantastic week ahead. I also pray for the families affected by the multiple blasts in Sri Lanka. May God give them peace and comfort. See you next week with new topic, with new video.